Let's go.
60 minutes.
This is what your girlfriend looks like anytime her boyfriend says something to
I am
her.
here on the backlot of the universe.
To introduce you guys to, that is our co-host, the host of the Tonight Show from Jimmy Fallon, Mr. Jimmy Fallon. Hello.
Yeah, owes me $5. I know you guys are excited to go on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
Yeah, we do have a few safety rules to go over. First, if fire effect and any water effect, you will, as we make our way down the Universal timeline, you'll see movie posters on both sides. Just a few examples, the thousands of 8 years. Our history on the right
look at this.
side coming
Last
up,
time.
you see our fire station.
Oh.
We got some
85, look, 85. Africa. Look at the light before time. What year is that? What year does it say? 1988. Damn. Oh, look, fire truck. Backdraft, 91. Jurassic Park, 93. Schindler's List, don't know. Apollo 13, 97, 95. Apollo, 98, 96. The Mummy, 99, 99. American Pie, 98, 99. Meet the Parents, 99. Oh, 2000. All right, now I'm knowing it's going in chronological order. So never mind.
The left side, you see a spring production. You can see our sound stages, hacks, light enhancements, and all films inside this sound stage. Making new ones too, not just for traditional series, for e-college, and the junior jury. Now the house production is in the front, so they are we will take the camera with elementary sense. The creative design of our supervised by none of...
So I was thrilled when Universal Light came to Skyline. It was great to have a year-long ride. Now we have created this... Okay.
Super cool. What the heck? Oh, there he goes. He's over here. There you go. Break his jaw. Break that nigga's jaw. Oh! Man, who's that? Oh, damn. Spit on me again. Get off my cake. Oh, damn.
Flintstones, those are basically tricked out golf carts. You'll see one of the 4 Anglia from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. You'll see Brian's and Nissan Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious. The car was never sold in the U.S. It is the right-hand drive model, the side drive in Japan. You see the Gyrossphere from Jurassic World.
Oh, Too Fast, Too Furious.
Jurassic World, starring Chris Pratt, Bryce Dallas Howard, and
oh, yeah.
Is Frozen film in history. The Fallen Kingdom was another great hit. Dominion is now in the theaters. Right now, we are taking
the boat.
Off the coast of Costa Rica. Just saw them earlier. Okay, this is dinosaur changes are different.
Dinosaur changes are different. Dinosaurs are dinosaurs. Now he's gonna get attacked.
Oh, there they are.
Where?
Where are the dinosaurs?
Where she see some dinosaurs?
Uh-oh, Dylan Dawson, look. Look over here.
Oh, that's squirting. That's squirting. Never dinosaurs.
Plants can easily create a lot of important role instead of just the right move. Creating weather, film, and television has always been used usually for movies and TV shows. It's really simple, but it's realistic. And
Oh, look at that right there. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
This is from the movie they have earlier. We're here at the biggest Western stores, almost down beach, Camila Cabello, Prince Bonnie, and left hand side coming up is our little Europe. We invent our hit comedy, The Good Place. Let's now we are in San Francisco. How cool is this? The magic of sound stages. We can literally create any environment.
Super cool. Best ride. By far.
Well, you know, moving up. Otherwise, it's gonna break down. Like what happened.
Look at the sharks.
That's where the dog is.
As you can see on the screen, this tube colonial short. Let's start with the second home on the left-hand side, this beige-ish house coming up on the left-hand side. Back in the 1950s, imaginary friend Harvey in the movie Harvey, great movie. In the 70s, the Hardy Boys lived in the yellow house, and then Susan Domino, played by Terry Hatcher, into that same yellow house. More recently, the same yellow house again can be seen in Netflix became Sherman, California. All 400 acres. Okay, now worked by Alfred Hitchcock, starring Anthony Hopkins and Janet Leigh. Mary was driving on the road from the law after stealing $40,000. In a few seconds,
Is that American Psycho?
Let's say hi. Hi, right behind the
Look over here!
That is here.
This amazing set is
Oh,
what
wow.
of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise hides out in the film. And this is
Yeah.
an actual Boeing 747 aircraft that was destroyed specifically for the scene. This movie used over 5. Can't wait to use the sci-fi thriller Nope, which stars. Now, welcome to Tourist
California amusement park owned. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Welcome to the world of Nope.
Now we are are gonna put you in the movies. Need those 3D glasses just yet?
They just got here. All right, I got it. Well, listen, hello, beautiful. You right there, missing the third row. How you doing? You good?
Who's in the third row?
We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there in that third row. That's what I'm saying. So look, see assault vehicle. Best truck the U.S. government.
These suit on, man, it's cheap. Somebody out there really pissed off. Let's go.
You and Debbie ready to roll.
Okay, situation stands a little intense. I think.
Witness, speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's your turn.
Witness is mine, Lenny!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the dogs!
Drone's lining up the missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Woman, don't shoot! Head for the bridge! Under construction! Everybody hold
Let's go. Let's get it.
They say the bigger the
Each and every one of you are joining us on annual pass, so you can come here and see Showtime, What a World, and Chef Wait.
End of the ride. Let's go.